You want me to look in this camera, right?
So by starting the beginning?
Is it basically that, half of that, bit of that, bit of that?
This needs to come off, right?
Does it have to be in a specific order?
Hi, I'm here today to make my own
Plant-based margarine, which I've never actually done before.
It's really easy to make at home and it's delicious.
Smashed peas with mint on sourdough toast.
Smashed potato with kale and a plant-based meat.
Moist vegan cookies.
I'm going to be using this mint-infused homemade plant margarine.
You just need a couple of ingredients.
Coconut oil, I'm guessing.
Plant-based oil,
Maybe mustard powder.
a lemon for the taste,
Pinch of salt.
I'm not sure what that is.
carrot juice for the color,
And in Spain, we can use garlic and parsley.
because that's all you need.
Plant-based, plant-based, plant-based.
Oh,
If you're looking to move towards a more plant-based diet, switching to a plant-based margarine is a really simple way of doing that.
they are also better for your health.
They have no trans fats.
They are low in saturated fats and they are free of cholesterol.
Margarines are high in good fats such as in linseed oil, sunflower oil.
Plants are super rich in vitamins, minerals, omega-3 and omega-6 zit.
Oh, look at that.
Straight in there.
It doesn't have to taste good, right?
Have we got a toaster?
It's not working right now.
Well, I need a kitchen knife as well.
It's already solidifying. How quick this goes!
Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Now all we need to do is toast these. Now here's my toast.
Chocolate makes everything better
Plant margarines are way more environmentally friendly than dairy butter.
by causing 2/3 less CO2 emissions.
1/3 less land usage,
And 40% less water.
which for our climate is super important.
Almond milk.
So simple.
It's too much milk, so it's now a little bit of soup.
Very excited about this.
Love it!
Da, da, da.
Perfecta! Plant-based, natural, homemade margarine.
I've made margarine, I've made margarine.
Vegan deliciousness.
Simple, healthy and sustainable.
See you soon.
I don't say to my girlfriend at home that I ruin smashed potato with kales.